Good morning, everyone. It's another fine day here in the neighborhood. I did get disappointing news from Michelle this morning, though. She started to feel a little off yesterday afternoon, and this morning, chills, headache, body aches, just not feeling well. Definitely not wanting to spread that on to me or any of the ladies up at Guardian Angel. So her husband went out to get a COVID test and she had to cancel, which really truly sucks because I have all her birthday presents already loaded up in the back of Ruby, and she's excited to get them and I'm excited to give them to her, and it is what it is. Though, I mean, she traveled by airplane over the weekend, right? And it seems like everybody's coming down with this new COVID thing. It's not just a winter disease like, you know, the flu primarily. It seems people get it even in warmer months. So I'm still going to go to Guardian Angel, see what I can find for us. But I won't be meeting up with Michelle. The ladies, they always feel so sorry for me up there. I kind of like walk around, you know, and chat with everybody like normal, but I'm kind of in a boy without his dog sort of a frame of mind, you know. My best bud's not there, so. And Don is expecting a FedEx package before noon today, and he has to sign for it. It's related to this contract he took. So it's a computer, it's a laptop, and so we really can't walk this morning because he's got to be here to sign. And it's like they come back the next day. I have a spider on me. Okay, I think I got rid of him. Anyway, yes, I had a spider web with spider. I was trying to fix that. You know, it'd be our luck if we leave to go walk, he'll come, and then the next day he'll try to deliver it at, you know, the same time in the morning again. Don paid the money to have him reroute something one time, FedEx. Like, I don't remember, it was $5, $10 or something. Like, yeah, you can change your delivery. It's really simple. Just go over here and do that. And Don went and did it because they were going to deliver at an inconvenient time. And they still delivered it. Like, the driver didn't even have a clue that we had paid for that service or whatever. So Don's like, let's just not try that this time. I'm like, okay. Well, it was 102 here yesterday, and it's going to be almost just as hot today. So I thought, just this once, I'll go meet Michelle, and I won't be trying to cool off from walking with the weight vest and exercising, and I'll just enjoy my morning with her. And yeah, best made plans. Good morning, Panther. Hey, bud. You're such a good boy. Wait patiently for your mama and your chicken. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go, bud. Here you go. Good boy. Hi. Oh, yeah. I make sure to brush him with a wet hand every morning. Try to get that loose fur off. Hey, Gray, good morning. Hi, sweetie pea. Hi. Hello. I'll trade you an empty food bowl for a full bowl of chicken. Well, it's 10:45, so I'm not any earlier than I have been other weeks. I'm still running late, is what I'm trying to say. Well, late for the 10:30 opening over there, but yeah, I finished up yesterday's video, and we didn't get up at 7:30. We got up at 8, so it's all good. It's fine. Don had dutifully loaded up all of Michelle's birthday presents and the coffee pot and stuff yesterday, and then he came out and he dutifully helped me stow those things in safe places in the garage where it's air conditioned until probably next week. So I have enough room in the back. The only thing I still have in the back is the Hello Kitty, the big stuffed animal. That can't get broke. The heat won't hurt it. I thought it was okay, but everything else is back out. Anything I could have accidentally slung around if I decided to take off. And Hurt has been put in a safe spot. They've got more surveying going on over here this morning. I really don't understand how many people and how many times it Withers Reveal or something like that is the name of the surveying company, and it was the same people again. So at this point I'm ready to see progress versus, but measure 5 times and cut once, so I get it. Whatever it is they're going to do over there. Yeah, the church is coming along now. It really surprised me that they put it sideways on the lot, but I'm sure there's a reason why that was the most efficient use of the land. I'm sure there was a reason. I parked that way on purpose today so that the sun isn't coming in the front of the car, although the sign blocks the sun pretty good. I also did climate keep. I won't be in here for 3 hours like I am with Michelle. An hour and a half though, for sure. Especially since I plan to check out all 3 stores. I didn't find anything in Thriftronics today, but I'll keep looking. There are several things I'm looking for. Dawn wants an old Panasonic cassette tape player. I would buy more smart switches if I saw them. I got a list in my head. Life's a beach, look out for crabs. That's funny. I've got orange clothes in the window now. There's an owl. No new toys, no new stuffies really. That is a really nice piece of glass. Heavyweight. It's a little chip there. I don't know what I would do with it. It's a nice box, my kind of box. Oh, it's a tux. He's very cute. I continue to look for a frame that I like to put some of Johnny's graduation senior photos in, but I've not found the right frame yet. A lot of nice wreaths. It makes me want to sit down with a good book for a few minutes. There's an owl shower curtain with some felt leaves, some, dimension on it. If I hadn't bought the one for my bathroom, I would have just changed to this fall color scheme, but I bought one already. Fall tree colors. Wow, somebody donated a ton of rubber stamps. I like how they organized them. Never thought about that. That's an almost really nice quality, but I just don't think I want to deal with the snaps. I love that fabric. It's Lululemon. It's too big for Ariel. Too small for me. That's an Ann Taylor jacket. It's really cute, but it's a size 0. Ariel's tiny, but probably, that's a little tight. I shop for Ariel like she's my own kid. It just seems natural. Oh, it feels good in Ruby. She did great today. It's 1:20. I don't know exactly what time I went in, around 11, something like that. I guess I was in there a while, even by myself. So there's a mirror, one of those behind the door mirrors, $4, looks brand new. Walmart, was never hung. Johnny wanted one for his dorm room. I pinged him and asked him, do you still want one for your dorm room? He said yes, so for $4 he can have the mirror. That's a good thing. And I got all these stuffies for Michelle. I'll put a picture up and show you. The frame around the mirror is white, but it doesn't matter. Let's see. Yeah, I got that Christmas box and one of the jackets for Ariel. And a few other things, but not a lot. But it was more than nothing. Hey, Donnie. I got this today, right at the end. I thought it looks just like Marty. There's my box. Candy corn. That'll get Dawn's attention. I didn't have this one. Purple flowers. And, oh yeah, to hang outside. this is also meant to be a hanger. It's really a candle holder, but I'm going to have Dawn pull off the circle part. I just want the loop-de-loop.
So I'm going to fix the cat post there. As you can see, the cats have destroyed it. This is not my first time doing this. I've done this a couple, 3 times before. Hopefully I get it done. It's actually hard on your fingers to wind that rope tight.
Sitting here watching some YouTubes with Dawn, and I'm going to go ahead and put the little black cat together, or purple cat, I guess, as it is. And Dawn was like, all those parts for the witch, you need those for the cat? And I'm like, it must be a pretty large cat. It's not going to be, you know, in comparison to the size of the witch, not as tall, but make up for it in length. I mean, you know, the tail's basically the length of the broom handle that the witch was holding. So, well, we'll find out in a minute or two. Well, there's the kitty. And like I said, he is pretty big. He's pretty good size. But as Dawn said, there are a fair number of parts left over. And that's what these 3-in-1 kits are. Is you get the box, you get 3 sets of instructions, and you have all the parts in one box to build one of these. So there's also a dragon. That's what the other guy over here in the corner is. He's a dragon. And I can easily build the pumpkin that was on the witch because, you know, I didn't use any orange pieces in the cat. Yeah, I bought this in 2016 for the kitties for Christmas. So however many times Dawn's repaired it. We buy the jute on Amazon. It's definitely cheaper than buying a new cat tree every time. But takes some time and stuff. And yeah, I priced a new one and it was like $52 the first time and it's $64 now or something like that. Yeah. I put a camel for $50. So if, you know, Black Friday or something, they put it on sale. Yeah. Because they make the exact same one, and trust me, dark colors with black cats is the way to go. Don't ever buy beige with black cats. Yeah. The one in Johnny's bedroom, you could see black kitty fur on the tan. The tan's right. not you want dark fabric. Yeah. Well, the kitty's head tilts, but I might have to do something so I can tilt it more because it goes down. It goes more down, but this purple piece on the back is keeping it from going more back. So I think I'd like to be able to see his face better. You know, you can see it down low, but I think I'm going to have to tinker with it. There's a high likelihood I have the majority of parts to build the dragon left and also in my stash, so I'm going to try to build the dragon. Well, since they've done a number on the cardboard, you know Don don't half fix anything. So he's fixing the cardboard and then putting this rope back on it.
Yipper.
I get to clean up all the mess though.
Yeah, I'm a cat tree thing. I think I'm going to design a tool that wraps all this stuff around there.
Believe it. I believe it. It's 4:24 and FedEx just came with Don's computer. So much for by noon. Yeah, that's 4 hours late. And he did have to sign for it. FedEx was here this morning, our regular guy, with pork rind delivery. A huge box.
The important thing.
The important things. He was nice. He was great. But, yeah.
She was okay. She's
well,
just, you know, best she could do.
Well, it's a good thing they didn't not deliver it today and try to come tomorrow morning, or I'd have been fussing even more. Well, there he is. A couple of color substitutions later. Mostly that light gray on the side there that you see. 3 of them is supposed to be black. And the top of his hat's supposed to be black. So, he looks fine, though, to go with the other guys on the table. I might have to fix that top piece on the hat, though. And I fixed the kitty head so it's at least angled up a little bit. It's better than it was. Wow, Don really did an excellent job. Totally looks great. I don't know how long it takes for them to scratch it off, but it's at least 6 months before it's in desperate need of repair, maybe longer. So anyway, good as new as far as I'm concerned. And this scratching post we put on the side of this hamper thing, that works really well. That's for a little girl first thing in the morning when she stretches. And that's been up there for 6 months to a year. So that's done good too. They're very good about not using the furniture. They've got an adequate number of things they like to scratch on, possibly prefer. So it's all good. Thank you, Donnie. It looks so much better. And I redid the cat neck one more time. His neck is a little too long, but he's actually looking up at you like a cat's supposed to do. So I'm much happier. Other than really replacing the top of the dragon hat, I am totally thrilled with how that set turned out. Well, it's cooled off a little bit now that the sun is setting, but it's very buggy out here, so unfortunately I can't stay long. I look forward to cool temps after dinner this fall when I can come out and sit for a few minutes without the mosquitoes running me off. It's all my good boys here. Well, Johnny's all set to go to his BattleBot competition tomorrow, Hickory BattleBots, and his friend's picking him up, and he's packed and ready to go, and the box I mailed him yesterday arrived, and it's all good. So hopefully he's going to have an awesome competition. There's one robot for him tomorrow, and 2 robots for him on Saturday. The big one, landmine, is tomorrow. Come on, guys, don't get into trouble with each other. Hi, bud. Oh, that's my boy. That's my boy.